Welcome to Code Genius. Code Genius 7121 is a YouTube channel where you can find all the information on web programming, coding, programming languages, programming courses, web design and development courses, and many more. What we do in this channel, let's see. If we click on About, you will find Hi everyone, welcome to Code Genius. Okay, Code Genius exchanges experiences on coding, programming, and software development. Primarily. Alright, Code Genius also reviews the best books on programming, web design, web development, software development, and many more. We also reviews on best video tutorials, best courses, best software tools on web design, web development, programming courses, programming tools, and many more. At the same time, simultaneously, we also do offer consultancy in career development on web design, web development, and programming career. If you want to know more about us, please feel free to shoot an email at wecodewetest@gmail.com. Thank you very much.